Hello everyone, my name is Bianca and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video here on It's Pronounced Bianca. Join a platform that I could do some longer videos on, and that it's probably gonna be a little bit easier for you guys to search on YouTube over TikTok has like a terrible search engine. People ask me questions that I've already made the whole videos on, and I realize that there's a lot of videos for people to search through. So I figured this might be easy. My first video is gonna be 8 tips on how to make your DIY lash extensions last longer. With my current DIY lash routine, my lashes last up to about 11 days. So I feel like I could give you guys some tips. Number 1 is, before you're doing your lashes, make sure you're properly cleaning your lashes. I mean, there's no moisturizer that's slipped down from your skincare, no makeup, no prior glue, because it's just gonna make your lashes slip so much faster. You need to be double cleansing your lashes before you're putting on your clusters. Number 2 is reseal them every day. Sounds weird, but it helps so much. Like you do when you first do your lashes, you're going to take the seal and go over the lash. Just a little tip, always seal the lashes bottom and top. That way they don't stick when you blink and they're not tacky all the time and annoying. Number 3 is an application tip. When you are applying the clusters, make sure you're putting the bond onto the cluster and your lash so it acts like a double-sided tape effect instead of just putting one sticky part on. It's like 2 sticky parts coming together and holding on to each other. Number 4 is, do not let them sit wet. If you're going to take a shower where you're getting steamy, or you're crying, or you got rained on, I don't know, dry them right away. If you have an electric fan, that's great. You could also just use your hands and paper towel. 5, sleep training. You need to sleep train yourself to not sleep on your lashes. If you're sleeping on your face and your lashes are always being pushed, of course they're gonna slip and slide. It's also really bad for your regular lashes because it's gonna pull and create tension. My personal way that I like to sleep is when I want to sleep on with my head on the side where my eyelashes would be touching the pillow, is I will put my hand here and kind of create a little bit of a triangle so there's space. Number 5, once you're done applying your lashes, put some seal onto the tweezers and tweeze it into your lashes. That way the seal gets into literally every nook and cranny, and it's sealing your lashes as they're pushed together to keep that retention super nice and tight. Number 7, when you are cleaning them, use lash shampoo. Don't use baby shampoo. Don't use like your body wash or your face wash. Lash shampoo is the way to go because it's designed to help glue stay intact, and it also doesn't have any oil in it, so it doesn't break down any of your glue. You could get really affordable lash shampoo on Amazon and it'll last quite a while. 8th and last tip is curl them every morning. As well as like the sealing, you're gonna also want to curl them every day. This will help push your lashes back in with the glue and then go over with the seal. And that's just like the perfect combo for making your lashes last long. So those were my 8 tips. I will probably be back to do another one of these videos because there's almost like so many tips that I could give you guys. I've used a lot of different clusters and a lot of different glues, so I really want to help share what I know. I'd love to make a video on comparing all the bond and seals I've tried and trying to let you guys get the best one for what you like so that you don't have to be spending your money on a bunch of different kinds just to find out that you don't like them, which is just so frustrating. If you like this video, leave a like, let me know down below, and if you have any tips that I missed, drop them down below. Girls can muster and collect all the tips, okay? I hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.